Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply convert a text into video using Invideo. Now, if you haven't already checked out my Invideo review video, be sure to do that. I will leave a link below in the description to the playlist where you can check that out. Now, I won't be going over what Invideo is, just know that it is a very good video editing software to use, and this is what I'm going to be using for this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, as you can see here, if you want to go ahead and create a free account, you can. I left a link in the description below, and then you also don't need a credit card to get started. Now, I will say the flip side, if you do decide to make a free account, you will have that annoying watermark when it gets time to upload your video and even download it. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account. All right. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you the blog to video way. As you can see here, I log in. This is what the dashboard looks like. Now I'm going to head over to up here to show you that if you have a brand or if you have like a logo and you want to make sure that you add that, you can by simply going to your profile icon and then clicking brand presets, and that's where you can upload your logo and all your brand colors and things like that. Okay, and then if you have a team, you can go to team settings and add team members to your account so they can view your video or edit the videos as need be. All right, so I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I just wanted to make sure I showed y'all that because a lot of people do like that they have this logo and branding thing added to it. So I like that too. I just don't use it that much. So what you want to do next is go to text to video. And as you can see here, I have a lot of different templates to choose from. Now, it's completely up to you. If you want to use one of these templates, which I highly recommend that you do, pick the one that fits best for you. Like if you're going to be talking about dogs, pick one that has dogs in it. If you're going to be talking about health and fitness, you can do one that has health and fitness. It just makes it so much easier whenever they do render the text to video. It makes it easier to go in there and edit it because most of the scenes are related to what you're talking about. There are some times when the scenes have completely nothing to do with what you're talking about, and you can go in there and edit that, which I'll show you later on. But I'm going to click general business, and this is the template that it will come up for, or it will come up with for you. And like I said, you can always go in there and edit it and things like that. And if you want to utilize different layouts, you can. As you can see here, we have the landscape, which is 16:9, and then you also have the square, and then you also have the portrait. Portrait is good for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and TikTok. And then landscape is, of course, good for the traditional YouTube videos. But that's what I'm going to be using is landscape. I'm going to go ahead and generate the template. And then I'm going to use a already written blog post. Now, if you have a script, of course, feel free to go in there and add your script, which I can make another video showing you how easy it is to come up with video scripts with ChatGPT. You can come up with a video script in ChatGPT and then paste it into the script, and it will render stock footage for you. All right, so what I'm going to do is go to iStock and then Premium. I'm going to click that, and I wanted to start creating these scenes. So what it's going to do now is it's going to take the blog post and it's going to auto summarize it for me. Okay, and then with these scenes, it auto summarized and turned it into scenes that I can then use to create a storyboard. So I'm just going to create a storyboard. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time. It just depends. Like lately, it's been lagging a little bit. I've had to shoot this video like 3 times already just because of the lag, but fingers crossed it won't lag this time. All right, so I'm gonna cut the video and wait for it to come up with the scenes, right? All right, so as you can see, it went ahead and came up with a video for me along with the text, like the video captions and things like that. I'm gonna play a couple scenes for you to see so you can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go back to the first scene and then click play. Now, as you can see here, it's coming up with some pretty good stock footage, but if you don't like what they have, like there was one scene that I really would like to change out. I think it was this scene. It's one of these scenes. Hold on. I think was it this scene? Yeah, this scene. So if I didn't like this, I can come to video over to your left, and then I can always add different ones that I like better, and then I can delete the ones that they came up with. Like, I like this scene. Of course, you can play it, see if you like it. He's like, yeah, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this. Okay, so you click add, and then I can delete this in the back, right? And then expand this, and boom, we have that. Okay. Oops. I was meaning to take this off of all of mine, but what I actually did was delete this stock video that I had. Go back. And let's see, I'll just re-add this again. Okay. And then you can go scene for scene. So if you don't like the way something looks, you can do what I just did. You can delete that, add another video, so on and so forth. And then if you want to, of course, make this text bigger, you can. All you do is just come up here. You can make it bigger or smaller. If you don't like the way it looks, definitely gonna make this a lot smaller. And then I can shrink this down, move it down to the bottom, things like that, okay? You can also add the text effects where you can change the color, the background, things like that. You can add animations. You can just edit the actual text that's in here and things like that. So like I was saying in the review video, it's very customizable. All right. And then I also want to show you the different images that you can add to it as well. Have so many different images. Now, if you ever want to just come up here and click something or type something that's more related to what you're talking about, you can. And then music, they already added music for us, which is very good. But if you ever want to add new music or you don't like the music that it came up with, you can come in here and you have so many different genres and moods and songs to choose from. All right. And then if you ever want to add extra text, add your logo, or add different elements, you can do so over to your left. Okay. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go to the actual storyboard. I'm going to go to voiceover because it takes me to the storyboard. And next, I just want to show you how easy it is to come up with a voiceover. Now, it does take a little bit of time for this to render, but we can always do that voiceover. And then also, this music plays kind of loud. So if you ever want to like turn the volume down, you can. So that way, whenever we get this voiceover, you can hear the voiceover a lot better, okay? So what you can do next is just go to voiceover, and they have different options, which I really like. If you want to use the already AI text to speech, which they have different characters that can talk, like they can speak your blog or your script, you can do so with that. If you want to import your uploads, you can. Like if you record it on something else, you can do that. If you want to upload your voiceover file, you can do that. And then also, if you want to record your voiceover, you can. That's what I normally use because YouTube doesn't really like when people upload AI generated voiceovers, and they kind of kill or hurt your rankings. But if you're very gun-ho about using the AI voice, they have that available for you. Now, there's other options. You can always go to Fiverr and hire a voiceover and things like that. Very inexpensive, but for this video, I'm going to show you the AI way, okay? So as you can see here, you have different voices. You got Sally, Matt, Kimberly, Kendra, Justin, Joey, Johanna, and Ivy. I'm going to choose Miss Sally for this, and we're going to generate her voice. I'm going to pause this because it takes a little bit of time to generate her voice over the whole video. All right. And then also, if you just want to do it for one scene, you can do it for one scene. Or if you want to automate her voice for the whole entire video, for all the scenes, all you do is click this box and it will do it for the whole entire video. Okay. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this and then cut it back on whenever it's ready.
By the second year.
All right, so as you can see, we have our video voiceover ready. Now, something that I really like about Invideo that really sets this tool aside from the other tools out there is that you can really get in here and edit and really manipulate your video and customize it to your liking. Now, with some of the other competitors, you can't do that, but with Invideo, you are definitely able to do that, which I really like. So what I'm going to do is come to the beginning, and I'm just going to play it for you real quick.
10 facts about business before starting a business. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, approximately 20% of small businesses fail within the first year, 30% fail by the second year, and 50% of small businesses failed by the fifth year. The most common reasons small businesses fail include poor business models.
All right, so that's just a little bit of it. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but ideally, if I were to upload this, then I would want to go scene by scene and really customize it and add things to it and stuff like that. But I just want to show y'all for just like the basic, the basic, what you see when you sign up, okay? So let's see here. We can go back to the storyboard, and then we can go back to the editor as well. Let's see. Okay, come right here. All right, so also I was gonna say that if you ever want to speed up the video, you can do that very easily. Let's see, what's this doing? Okay, but if you ever want to speed up the video, you can. Now normally it does have like the speed up thing. You can make it faster and stuff like that. Let's see. Don't want it to start acting slow, but anyways, you can see it whenever you do it, but pretty much the video is ready. And it was pretty easy to do this. Now, also, if you want to make a free account, you can. The thing with the free account is you get like a watermark like this, but other than that, like if you want to get the paid version, you can. They have different packaging plans and stuff like that, but the link is in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if there's anything that you want to see me do or review, then be sure to comment that down below. Now, if I wanted to export this, I can always export it, but in this video, I don't need this video. I was just showing you how to do it, but you can always export it and things like that and download it and share it and things like that. Okay, so with that being said, I'll see you on another video. Bye.